Hey Busy Bees! Welcome back to another Mom Days! Today I thought I would switch up our filming area and I am sitting in my kitchen table, dining room area. This is where I typically spend most of my afternoons working and just hanging out watching Airseas. So I thought, hey, I would film in here today. Let me know what you guys think. But today I'm excited to share with you my morning routines. My routine in the morning changes day by day depending on what kind of work I'm doing, but typically this is my morning routine and I'm excited to share it with you. Oh, somebody's up and it's not me. Good morning, Ollie. Ugh, I hate the alarm. My 2 alarms. Alright. I am not a morning person whatsoever. I will stay up until the wee hours of the night. I'm such a night owl and I will take the night shift, but anytime before 9 is a big struggle. So I usually set my alarm clock for 8:15, 8:30, 8:45 just to make sure I get up. But baby typically wakes up around that time, so by the 3rd alarm clock, I definitely have to go get her. Alright, fine. So I just go to grab the baby and give her some snuggles. Half asleep, so we're back in bed. Playtime with Boo. And of course Ollie needs some attention too, so he always likes to jump into our bed. Morning snuggles with the kids. Alright, time to get up. Now I like to make my bed, tuck Boo in, and let's start brushing our teeth. I usually look over some post-it notes with ideas that we came up with for the channel. Quick splash of water on the face to really wake up. Oh, you and me too. Brush my hair. This is my 2nd day hair. Ugh, need a haircut. So for makeup or skincare, I usually, on days where I don't leave the house, I usually only put on sunscreen moisturizer. I love this one because it's zinc based and it does have that white cast on my face, but that's okay. I am not going anywhere. And I put on makeup for this video because, hey, let's be honest, I am filming and I don't want to look like a total zombie. So it's my makeup, no makeup look so that I look at least a little bit presentable. I just fill in my brows, a little bit of eyeshadow, just pat it on, some eyeliner. This is my favorite one by Kat Von D. Stays on all day. Oh, the links to the products will be below. Pop in my contacts. Tie my hair back into a ponytail, because she likes to pull and grab my hair now. And then we'll head downstairs and start the day. First things first, I gotta feed the baby. This morning she's gonna have a little bit of smashed blueberries, then some peanut butter. Last week we started incorporating peanut butter into her diet and I am so thankful that she is not allergic to peanuts. But the next hurdle to jump is giving her tree nuts. I heard that tree nuts actually cause more of a flare-up, so what I'm gonna do is take walnuts or something and just kind of rub it on her skin. This is what my aunt just told us to do so it doesn't cause her body to attack her. So I'll just take walnuts and rub it on her skin and see if there's any kind of reaction there. And some homemade yogurt. I made this in the Instant Pot. Mix it all together. Mix, mix, mix. And nom 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 nom. She likes it, folks. Alright, my turn. Time for some coffee. Here, I'm just gonna pull an espresso shot. I like to make an Americano in my big mom mug. Top it off with milk. Mommy juice. Then if I have time, I just have a really quick piece of toast with some peanut butter and honey. Yay, today I got to take a bite. Or two. Alright, just 2 bites and back to the girl. Now it's pumping time. Pumping is probably my least favorite part about being a new mom or just this past year. I know it provides her a lot of nutrition and food, but it just takes so long and it's so hard, especially when I am traveling for work or I'm at a meeting and it's time to pump. I kind of have to like run to a bathroom or something to just quickly hand pump, and sometimes I really do forget to bring my hand pump, so I have been in situations where I'm kind of in a pickle. This weekend I have to go to an all-day conference from like 8 to 6, so I have no idea how I'm gonna work around that. Probably just go to the bathroom a lot and pump and dump, or bring an ice pack with me. I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions on how you guys handle that on the road, working moms, please let me know in the comment section below. There's a channel on YouTube called Little Baby Bum, and Aracey is obsessed with it. She is such a musical baby, and she just stops everything that she does to look up at the TV and listen and sing along with the songs. I feel like she has her favorite songs because whenever it comes on, she'll just stop everything she's doing, terrorizing our living room, and just stop to like sing along. She'll like, I mean, definitely not in tune, but that's what she does, and it's so adorable. I'll have to film it one day and share with you guys. Look, over 7 ounces from one boob. Yeah. TMI. Then it's playtime. We like to play on the floor with all of our toys. I love this book, Moo Ba La La La. I'll read to her, play with her for maybe like an hour, half an hour, if she can last that long. And if she can't, then I'll put her down to nap at around 10:30 to 11. Our room is pretty bright, so I have to put up these blackout panels to really block the light. Sometimes she goes down. Sometimes it's not as easy. Good night, Aracey. Good night. Nap time is usually when I try to get my normal life things done. If I can, I'll shower. Otherwise, I will check my email, catch up on work. I do have a second job still, which I am phasing out soon. Happy to announce. But I will check emails, get back on anything that anyone's waiting for me, because typically I don't have my office hours until the afternoon. So any urgent messages will get replied to, and then once she wakes up, we start the whole routine over again because it's lunchtime. I have to feed her, and then I have to pump, and then we play again, and then she gets her afternoon nap, and then I work. So that is kind of my life routine right now, actually. I'm really enjoying it. I love getting to spend time with Aracey. I'm so thankful that I get to work from home. I'm a work from home / stay at home mom. Not really, because I'm kind of working around the clock, really, but it's a new way of life for me. Anyways, I want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you guys are looking to build a website or have your own domain, be sure to head on over to squarespace.com for a free 14-day trial. And if you guys are ready to start your own website or blog or online store, bring out that entrepreneurial spirit in you. head on over to the link in the description box where I am offering a 10% off discount for you guys. My blog is on Squarespace and I love that it's an all-in-one platform. There's no website developing, there's no coding, there isn't anything hard to do. They have templates where you can quickly design whatever you feel like. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine. Let me know what you guys think about more of these lifestyle videos. I love sharing what my typical day looks like. I know a lot of you guys have asked me for what do you eat in a day, and I think that would be really fun to share, although it really varies. When I have time to eat, I will have like a piece of toast, and sometimes I forget to eat, so once I get back in a regular routine with that, I will be sure to share it with you guys. Anyways, I will see you guys on the next video on Sunday for Recipes for Busy Bees. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye!